What's up guys, welcome back to another Mr. Cool video. Today we're going over our brand new line set. So this is the line set. This is our new patented design. These are now kink resistant. With this new line set, we have a spring that goes around the copper to prevent the kinking. So this line set is kink resistant. So for instance, I have some of this line set here without insulation on it. This is the copper with the spring over it. And whenever you try to bend it, it'll bend easily, but it won't kink. The line set is pre-charged from the factory, so it completely eliminates the need for soldering and vacuuming. So on top of the kink resistant copper, we have this insulation. We have this diamond texture that's on the insulation. So if you're dragging this line set, say across an attic floor or something like that, this diamond texture on top of the insulation is gonna prevent any ripping. Also, this insulation on the new line set is extremely durable. And we've put it to the test. We've pulled a truck with this, and we've also had two linebackers play tug of war with this. Both times it didn't even stretch. This has gotta be the most durable line set insulation on the market. And another great feature that we have with this line set is the quick connect. It makes installing this line set extremely easy. We've thought of every single detail in this line set, and we're very proud of it. At Mr. Cool, we're always innovating and staying ahead of the game, doing the best we can to make every single product of ours the best as well as the easiest to use.